Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Quicken Simplifi versus Quicken Deluxe. We'll explore their core functionalities, user experience, and ideal use cases to help you decide which financial tool best fits your needs. Understanding their differences is key to choosing the right software for your personal finance journey. Let's dive into what each platform offers, from budgeting basics to advanced investment tracking, ensuring you make an informed decision for your money management. Quicken Simplifi is designed for a streamlined, modern approach to money management. It provides an intuitive spending plan that automatically adjusts to your income and expenses, helping you stay on budget effortlessly. With excellent mobile and web access, you can track your finances anytime, anywhere. Simplifi also includes tools for setting and monitoring savings goals, plus basic investment insights, making it perfect for those seeking a user-friendly, cloud-based solution. Quicken Deluxe caters to users needing comprehensive financial control, primarily through its powerful desktop software. It excels in detailed budgeting, allowing extensive customization for categories and tags. You'll find robust tools for tracking investments, analyzing portfolio performance, and generating various financial reports, including those useful for tax preparation. While desktop-first, Deluxe also offers companion web and mobile apps, providing flexibility for managing your money across devices. Choosing between Simplifi and Deluxe depends on your financial habits and needs. If you prefer a modern, easy-to-use interface focused on budgeting and saving, Simplifi is likely your best fit. However, if you require in-depth investment tracking, extensive reporting, and prefer a robust desktop application for complex finances, Quicken Deluxe offers more comprehensive features. Both are powerful tools, so consider which aligns best with your financial goals. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.